The TCL 98-inch class QM7K Series 4K Smart TV stands at the pinnacle of premium television technology, delivering an immersive viewing experience. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this TV at the latest price available. Featuring an expansive 98-inch screen, this TV utilizes advanced QD Mini LED technology that merges the best aspects of QLED and OLED, offering near pixel-level backlight precision for exceptional color accuracy and brightness. This results in rich, vivid images that bring every scene to life with stunning clarity and depth. One of the standout features is TCL's Halo control system, an innovative technology suite combining a super high-energy LED microchip, super condensed microlens, and a host of other components that eliminate the unwanted halo effect often seen in traditional LED TVs. This system, paired with the LD2500 Precise Dimming Series, controls up to 2,500 local dimming zones independently, enabling pure black levels and excellent contrast. The CrystGlow HVA panel further enhances the viewing experience by blocking reflections, ensuring that even in bright rooms, image details remain sharp and visible. Gamers will appreciate the TV's outstanding refresh rates, offering a native 144 Hz with an impressive variable refresh rate up to 288 Hz. This smooth performance minimizes motion blur and input lag, making fast-paced games look and feel more fluid. The anti-reflective screen coating adds to the comfort by reducing glare and maintaining picture quality from different angles. Sound quality is equally premium with Bang Olufsen's Atmos audio system, which provides immersive, cinema-quality sound that fills the room. Running on Google TV, the TCL QM7K offers seamless access to a wide array of streaming apps, voice control, and smart home integration. The multiple connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, RF, and HDMI ports ensure that all your devices can be easily connected. The overall build is sleek yet robust, with dimensions that make a commanding statement in any living space. In summary, this TV combines cutting-edge technology, premium audio, and smart features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an ultimate home entertainment upgrade.